Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to farm multiple Instagram accounts and step-by-step to create a warm-up script. So this is software that I use. First, we have the account management. Here will add and manage unlimited Instagram accounts. And with large number of Instagram account, you will need to attach proxy. So each account will have a different IP on my account. You can log in like this. And you can see here we'll also open the browser and start logging into Instagram. After we log into warm-up script, we will go to interaction script. Here we'll help you to make an auto script that will help you to warm up your account. I'll click to add new script. First, I'll click to add new script here and then enter the script name like this is the day 1 of warming up. In day 1, I will choose the light action like re-notification, watching story, new feed, watching reel, liking post. And there's 2 number here because each account will randomly choose a number between I will watch a story from 20 to 30 seconds and I will scroll your feed for about 10 minutes. And I will watching reel. Liking some post, or you can comment to post. You can tag your friends. You can comment with hashtag, or you can interact with your following or follower, or you can interact with any account that you want. Or you can interact by keyword. You enter the keyword here, and then you choose the action that you want. Okay, after we set up the action that we want, I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 5 action. I'll enter here, and then I set up the break interval time between action will be 10 to 15 seconds. And I click here, so no interruption duplicate. Okay, I will have my script here, so I will have the script day 1, and then I will choose the count. This is the count that I want to warm up. And then I will set up the number of thread is the number of account running at the same time. And then I press start. And then we let the software do the work. There you can see, will allow open the browser and start logging into Instagram. And it will follow the script that I set up. It will start a scroll new feed, read notification, watching reel, watching story, and liking some post. Basically mimic the reaction of a people. Normally, the warm-up process for account will take about 5 to 7 days. Okay, you can check the whole process start working on the screen. If you need more information, please contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail will pin down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to Nguyen Phat Tools channel.